5 home remedies to get rid of chest congestion fast. The feeling of something not being able to swallow can be best described as one of the symptoms of the chest congestion. It happens when the membranes, mucus or mucosa lining the airway, respiratory tract are activated in full force due to the attack from a foreign invader such as virus, bacteria or dust. The membranes are inflamed, irritated, and your body creates extra mucus to eliminate the unwanted gas. Number 1 is onion. Onion is a good remedy for chest congestion. It has current that helps dissolve the mucus. Plus, it prevents further buildup of mucus in the chest. Its antimicrobial properties also help to prevent infection. Extract the juice of 1 onion. Add equal amount of lemon juice, honey and water. Heat this mixture until it's lukewarm. Drink this solution 3 or 4 times a day. Number 2 is lemon. Lemon can also help to treat chest congestion naturally. The citric acid in the lemon reduces the thickness of the mucus so that it can be expelled from the body easily. Plus, the vitamin C in the lemon helps to improve the body's immunity. Add 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice to the glass of hot water along with a little honey. Drink this solution several times daily. Number 3 is honey. Honey is another well-known home remedy for the chest congestion, as it helps to reduce the thickness of the mucus, and this promotes the easy removal of the mucus from the respiratory tract. Also, being high in antiviral and antibacterial properties, honey helps to fight the infection. Eat 1 teaspoon of the honey alone or mix it with warm water and drink it. This will alleviate the congestion for the several hours. Add enough honey to the 1 teaspoon of the powdered black pepper to make a paste. Swallow this paste 3 to 4 times daily until you get complete relief from the congestion. Number 4 is garlic. Garlic is another very effective home remedy for reducing the chest congestion. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties helps to fight the respiratory infection that cause congestion. Plus, it has a nutrient like vitamin A, C, and B, as well as copper, iron, and calcium. Selenium that helps to keep you healthy. Boil 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves in half teaspoon of the honey in 1 cup of the water or milk. Strain and drink 8 times and daily until the congestion clears. Number 5 is licorice. Licorice acts as an expectorant and thus can help to relieve some symptoms of the chest congestion. It will also help to soothe your irritated throat. Add half teaspoon of licorice root to the cup of hot water. Cover and allow it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Then strain, add a little honey and drink this 2 to 3 times a day. Additional tips. Drink chicken soup may help to ease the chest congestion as it reduces the inflammation in the lungs. Drink 1 to 2 cups of the strong black coffee regularly. You can also drink green tea or any other herbal tea on a regular basis. Use a humidifier at night. This will help to open your nasal passages so that you can breathe much easier. Eat more vitamin-rich fresh fruits and vegetables as well as spicy foods. Stay away from foods that can aggravate the congestion such as dairy products, fried food, refined foods, frozen foods, and rice. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids. Stay away from the carbonated drinks and avoid drinking alcohol and quit smoking to get relief from the chest congestion. Keep your room and surroundings clear of the dust and bacteria that cause a buildup of mucus. Get sufficient sleep to keep your body strong and fight the congestion. If your chest congestion is due to the flu and you are experiencing fever, chills, body aches, and malaise, it is best to consult a doctor for a proper diagnosis and treatment.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.